Don't hit the wood pile.
Okay.
I detect the sound of superpower.
Drives pretty good so far.
Yeah, a little rich.
Really rich, 10 to 1. How come it's not fast?
Because it has no timing, it's pig rich,
Yeah,
and we haven't done any tuning, changed the spark plugs, nothing.
I know. But the carburetor's actually really good.
Yeah,
Oh, that's totally safe.
that's not bad.
Okay.
That was running pretty good, all things considered.
Sort of my anxiety is much less now because I thought the carburetor could be a disaster and it's not.
Yeah, I'm getting a sense of relief after this shakedown run.
I feel good enough that I think we can just hit the road and drive into West Tech though.
Oh, it drives like a brand new car.
So we're cruising the freeway and everything's going great. And then we watch our fuel pressure start to drop. And I'm like reaching out the window trying to vent the cap and stuff. And the bottom line is we're pretty sure that the fuel filter is getting clogged. And so we pulled over and we're gonna try and change the thing without getting gas all over ourselves.
Oh, there's hardly any gas dribbling out of there anyway.
Yeah, kind of clogged. Okay, what are our odds it'll go more than 20 miles?
I would put it at greater than 50%.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, fuel pressure's still good. Picking up crud through the tank. And just think, that means we're passing all that crud through our fuel pump too.
Yeah.
Not good.
No.
Wow, look how much more fuel pressure we have.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Ridiculous.
That was a really good fix.
Ah, good truck again.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I've seen it's been wavering for a little bit now.
Wow.
It's been going wow, 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 wow.
That fast.
Yeah, it clogs up almost immediately.
It's already plugged.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
See, that air-fuel ratio is creeping up now.
Yep.
We're getting near the end of the line.